Welcome back to the second part of this training video. In this video I will teach you how to advance your training without leash, so stay tuned. Try recalling your dog off leash. After several days or weeks, depending on your dog, of on-leash training, choose an enclosed area and see if you can get your dog to come while off leash. Remember that the process will take time and patience, so don't allow yourself to get frustrated if your dog doesn't quite understand yet the first time you take him off his leash. The important part is to keep trying. Also, avoid repeating the command over and over if it's proving ineffective. Each time you repeat the command without the dog understanding, you risk weakening the association he had already begun to form with the command. If he's not responding at all, go back to using the long leash training for another day or two before trying again. Use restrain recalls. As you try to increase the distance from which you recall your dog, you may have to get help from another person. The restrain recall variation involves having someone else hold your dog still, so you can get farther away without your dog following along. When you're ready, issue the command once, along with any hand signals you may also be teaching, and have the person restraining your dog let go. The best way for the person holding the dog to restrain him is by lacing fingers across his chest. Expand the range of training. After you feel more comfortable with your dog's progress, alter the training environment and increase your dog's exposure to distractions. If you notice that your dog always seems distracted during training, you should backtrack and work in a familiar setting again before moving on to more complicated environments. Make sure that you never progress all the way to open areas, or even enclosed park dogs where safety may be an issue, until your dog is successfully obeying the command in various locations with all different levels of distraction. Get help. If your dog is consistently struggling to make the leap from obeying the command on his leash to obeying it while off his leash, then don't be afraid to get help from a professional dog trainer. A training session with an instructor can guide you through these difficulties. You can also contact a professional trainer or canine behaviorist to get more advice. Each dog is different and therefore not every dog learns in exactly the same way.